So Allahumma anta salam, O Allah, you are peace and source of peace, and only peace comes from you only. There is no other source where peace can come from. Only you. So this means if you find peace in things sometime, this is because Allah is giving peace through that thing. But source is something like current is coming, we can see this electric, the bulbs are on, electricity on, AC is on. But in actual fact, where is the source of this electric? It's not in the bulb, it's not in the light, it's not in the, it's the power station which is actually. If that stops from there, these things cannot give me light. So Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam. O Allah, you are peace, you are source of peace only. Wa minka salam, peace comes from you only. So a person is saying, so this is, and if this person will be cutting his channel, cutting his relationship with there, and trying to connect to something else, they won't give him light. Like if I cut the electricity and I try to find light in the bulb, I won't find light in the bulb.